Alright, I want to show y'all something. So this is a huge bulldozer. It's a big John Deere, right? It's got the rippers, huge cab, huge track, and of course you got the 850 engine in there, which is huge. Huge blade, nice stack. But watch, I want to show you what this thing sounds like when it fires up. Climb up here. So, cab, pretty basic. Just start it. Just gotta go like that. Wait for it to turn on everything. Watching the screen, make sure nothing's normal. Or nothing's abnormal. He needs fuel, so I'm gonna have to put fuel in it today. I'm gonna fire this thing up. Now it's fired up, but listen to the turbos. The turbo scream on this thing is pretty crazy. You can hear the turbo whistling, it's kind of crazy. Pretty crazy.